Hello children, in the previous class we have started the exercise of the story A Bottle of Dew. Is that the name? Is Bottle of Dew? Yes, A Bottle of Dew. And in this class we are going to finish the exercise. Okay, grammar section. Read the following sentences from the story. Okay, some sentences are given here from the story. Ramnatha was the son of a rich landlord. His father left him a large tract of land when he died. Okay, here a few sentences that can be written based on the sentence above. Okay, a long sentence is given here, and some sentences depending on this long sentence are can be written. We can be written. Ramnatha was a man whose father left him a large tract of land. Ramnatha was the son of a rich landlord who left him a large tract of land on when he died. Or this is the tract of land which or that was left for him by his father. Okay, here and look at the first sentence. Here by the phrase by the word whose. Here who referred to by this word? Ramnatha. And in the second sentence, by this who refers to whom? The rich landlord, Ramnatha's father. And here which or that, this word refer to which thing? The tract of land. Okay. So here we see these words are placed in the place of noun. So what we call those words, those are placed in the place of noun, we call them pronoun. এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি এই হুজ, হু, হুইচ এগুলো কোনো একটা নাউনের পরিবর্তে বসছে বা নাউনকে বোঝাচ্ছে। তাহলে আমরা সেই ওয়ার্ডগুলোকে কি বলি? যেগুলো নাউনের পরিবর্তে বসে সেগুলোকে বলি আমরা প্রোনাউন। সো উই কল দিস word pronoun, and they are a specific pronoun, there are a specific name for them, that is relative pronoun. Why this name their name is relative pronoun? Because they relate something to noun that is connected to that noun. Okay, এগুলোকে রিলেটিভ প্রোনাউন বলা হয় তার কারণ হচ্ছে যে এই প্রোনাউনগুলো কোনো একটা জিনিসকে নাউনের সাথে কানেক্ট করে, রিলেট করে, যেগুলো নাউনকেই বোঝায় বা যেগুলো নাউনের সাথে রিলেটেড। ওকে, হেয়ার ইন দ্যাট সেন্টেন্স রামানাথা ওয়াজ দ্য ম্যান হুজ ফাদার লেফট হিম আ লাস্ট অ্যাক্ট অফ ল্যান্ড। হেয়ার হুজ, this who stand for the man, so this whose relate this part of sentence with the man. Okay, so that is why it is called relative pronoun. Okay, join two columns to form meaningful sentences. Two columns are given here. You have to do it. I already solved this for you. First you do it by yourself, then check it with my answer. Fill in the blanks with who, whose, which and that. I already fill all of this. Next, complete the following sentence using who, whose, which and that. Okay, it is your homework. I will check it in your group. Okay, তোমাদের এই হু, হুজ, হুইচ এবং দ্যাট এই সব ব্যবহার করে এই সেন্টেন্সগুলোকে কমপ্লিট করতে হবে। নেক্সট you have to write 7 sentences. The first part of the sentence is given and you have to and there is second part of the sentence. You have to connect these parts with three words, that is who, whose and which. The first one is done for you. Next, listening and speaking. It is mainly a interactive skill, so skip it. Okay, come to the writing portion. Okay, a picture is given here and you have to describe this picture with the help of this uh, question. Okay, some questions are given here. If you had find the answer of this question, then you can surely describe this picture. এখানে কিছু কোশ্চেন দেওয়া আছে, এই কোশ্চেনগুলোর অ্যান্সার খুঁজে পেলেই তোমরা এই পিকচারটাকে ডেসক্রাইব করতে পারবে। Same is given here. You have to describe this picture, and if you found the answer of this question, you can easily describe him. Okay, activity on television and in newspaper and magazine, we often see advertisement of lockets or other salesmen, and that their seller claim with make us rich and successful. Many people, just like Ramanatha, fall for these tricks and lose their money. Have a classroom discussion on how we can resist such deception that came through media. Okay, a activity is given here. এখানে অ্যাক্টিভিটি বলেছে যে অনেক ফ্রড এখন ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে চারিদিকে, সেখান থেকে তোমরা সাবধানে থাকো, সেই নিয়ে একটা ক্লাসরুমে আলোচনা করো। Okay students, that's all for now. We will start a new chapter in the next class. Thank you.